What are we doing? What are we doing?
Hey, my coins! Oh my god!
Yo, get the fuck out of here. Gang? Gang?
Oh yeah!
Randy's somewhere over there. I don't know where he went. Oh, he's right there.
Look for the glare.
Anyways, welcome back to CT Drag. Today we got a couple things to do. So we got a couple things to do. We got a package that we're gonna actually unbox. Hector's got the throttle body side of the intercooler piping because we actually got the right pipe for it, so we could actually run the blow-off valve, and it fits pretty good. We're gonna put it on. We're gonna cut that pipe. Hold it real quick, Hector.
Bro, we should do a fucking side of it.
Get the fuck out of here. We're gonna cut that, put this just like that, turn it sideways, that way we have clearance from the hood. Ain't that right, baby girl?
Bro, or we could do like this, bro.
Like get the fuck out of here. That's your boy. That's your boy.
Yo.
Yo.
I gotta push the car in real quick because I gotta shut the door.
Got you right now. Hold on.
Doing all the way to the back.
So we also got this package in today. And I'll show you what it is. You can probably imagine what it is. We're gonna unbox it now. Yeah, get the unboxing. We got the unboxing knife. Every video we use this one box.
One knife, you mean?
I mean, knife.
Look, you're not cutting it right, bro.
Cut straight. I'm only cutting it this way just because the fucking things are broken. The way they package it was fucking stupid. FedEx.
John right here was an employee of FedEx.
Hell yeah. All y'all boxes are getting kicked by me. Step door.
See, they already fucked it up.
Look, see that? Let me see that. Let me see that. We need a new sticker, Bloxs.
Bum, 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 bum.
Alright, so this is a block. How did you mess up 2 stickers, bro?
Sound like you want to cry.
I will give one to you, but.
Yeah, it would make sense.
You a bitch.
Here we go.
No, this
It wouldn't make sense for me. I'm not
take mine.
It's not in my home.
Anyways, this is the.
I do them.
Bloxs
I take
Traction Bar.
them because you saw how my big banner I got in my room.
Yeah.
I slapped them on.
You know what I'm saying? This is the 96 to 2000 EK traction bar for Bloxs. I've heard nothing but good things from this traction bar, so I decided to buy it. It's a lot cheaper.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Hold on.
Stand this bitch up. Warning, guys. This is not a PG-13 channel.
Get the fuck out of here.
This is for 18 and older. Graphic language, nudity. We got blackjacks and hookers.
All right. Yeah, this actually looks really hard. It's painted and all that.
Let me see this.
So it's 96 to 2000 EK traction bar. Comes with a sticker, 2 little adjustment arms, and the hardware that goes with it. So today we're going to install that. We are also going to install the blow-off valve. Like I said we were going to do, I'm going to have Hector cut the intercooler piping so we can run the blow-off valve. We're getting really close to getting this car started. I already got the ECU. I got injectors. The fitting for the turbo is coming in. I don't know what, I think it's the 18th is coming in. I already got the oil line all set in. It's all together. I just gotta fix one side. I don't remember which side it is, but I gotta fix one of them. So that's together.
That one right there.
I gotta drain the oil, cut the hole, and put this on the
fulfill well.
So let's just get straight into it.
You ready, buddy?
Oh, I'm ready.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully it stops this.
Stops what?
That's it. Well, it's really the radiator support. It's not really the whole chassis.
That's not sturdy.
Alright guys, so while these motherfuckers is done talking about cheese, And how they come out in slices out of cows' asses.
I'm gonna slice your ass when I fucking go and switch the my
Like-
beautiful second gear. That
Get out of here. Anyways, we got the traction bar kind of like, we test fitted it, everything sits pretty fine. I have to adjust the coilovers because I didn't really adjust them, I just threw them on. So I'm gonna get them quarter balanced because this guy put me on to some shit.
I gotta stop putting you on shit.
Wow, it's like that?
It's competition, baby.
Wow.
Competition. You gotta, listen, you gotta have a little bit of
Secret.
A little bit of fun. You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting back watching you. You know, I see you.
I'm not that competition.
But this is how I would do it, so that's why.
Yeah.
I mean, like, I'm fucking, you know, I'm just fucking with you.
Yeah, I know.
This shit's,
It's gonna be fun.
so you're doing it just how I would do it. Except for that battery terminal that you did by yourself without my guidance.
Listen, that was just to test it.
Without my guidance is that's
Listen, that's just listen, guys. He's talking shit about the way I wired it.
my neck.
Cause look, all I did was to do that. I just put it together like that just to see if it would even start when I did the battery. But I got the stuff.
You have a hose clamp holding your positive wire.
Listen, it's gonna get fixed, bro. But anyways, we got the traction bar. We know what we're gonna do with it. All the hardware, everything. The only problem is we don't have the actual bolts that go into the 3 holes. I don't know if you guys can
We
see
got
it.
the bolts, it just doesn't fit the holes.
We don't have the bolts to fit those holes, so we gotta go to Home Depot and get some other ones. So this is the right one that fits. And we got a nut to make sure that it's the actual bolt. Home Depot run?
Home Depot run.
Home Depot run?
You guys all have masks to get in there.
Home Depot run. I got 2 masks, and he got 1 mask. So let's go!
Raw dog
Road
it
trip! Alright guys, so I just dropped off the fellas and we went to Home Depot. We got ourselves some 14 bolts just so I can mount the traction bar to the actual chassis itself. So I'm gonna get to installing. So these bolts are actually working really good. They're going perfectly in. No like cross threading or any of it. Like it goes on pretty good. I forget what they are. We can get them at Home Depot. It was like $3. Put these bolts in. If I can get this one to go in. Alright, so the traction bar is on. And it's pretty damn stiff. Looks really good. Car's a little too low. I think with the new tire setup, we'll probably adjust the suspension a bit better. But that's on. Now let me jack up the car so I can put those arms. But like I said before, it's only 3 bolts right here. They're 14s. Put them on both sides. And you're all set. Alright guys, so we got the arms here. I forget what these are called, spherical or well, however you say it. The bushing that rotates. Has 2 sets of those. These are actually adjustable. They gave us the hardware of 2 spacers, 1 bolt, and a nut. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on. Alright guys, so you take the bolt. Make sure you can see everything, bro.
Yeah.
So the bolt, you take the little spacer, bang, put it through the arm, take the other spacer, run that through, bolt, nut, and that's how you do the front. And I just gotta tighten that up, but I'm gonna do this side now. You're not even ready for this.
Yeah, right. Let me show you some of this. These niggas ain't ready for this right here. Whoa, what's that? Big people.
Alright, so the same one as the last one. take the bolt, run it through, take the spacer, put that through, do the actual arm, run another. Hold on.
Miguel's difficulties.
Why isn't it? Alright, so there's a nut right here that you unscrew. Take the bracket. Alright, you take the bracket. Take the bracket, put that on. Put the nut back on.
Yeah, you gonna run that H against my little single?
Yeah, I'm with it.
Alright. You gonna run it?
Miguel has to learn the art of us talking shit. He doesn't know yet.
Yeah, you don't know yet?
And right, everything is bolt stock. Yeah, bolt stock.
Just stop block.
So what you want to do is adjust this to how much you want it. Open it up so it connects. Take this side, same thing. That's tight, so that's on. Let's tighten these over here, those over there, and do the same thing to this side, and we'll get back to you. Alright guys, so we got this side of the traction bar on, and it looks really good. The car's sitting really low though. Like that's very, very low. So once I get the new tires set up, we are gonna lift up the car. This is just for right now, like I keep saying, because there's a lot of things on this car that I'm gonna change. Like the interior is completely gonna change. A lot of the stuff from the engine bay is probably gonna end up changing, and we're definitely gonna paint it real soon. But let me finish this side, because all I gotta do is bolt that one up, and then you guys can see it. The traction bar is in. The wheels are down. We're looking really good. Yeah. Now let's move to the next thing. Alright guys, so this is what's going on. I got this new piece with the knockoff tile eBay wastegate. I'm gonna mark it, cut it, put it on. We got two couplers over there, and we'll finally have a blow-off valve. So let me mark this real quick and we'll get to cutting. Alright guys, so I have it all marked up to the right diameter of this. So I'm gonna get to cutting right now. Hopefully this shit'll fit minty. Alright, so we now have the blow valve put on. All we had to do was cut that section part, put two clamps, because I have two extra clamps. And I also have to wait for Lewis, because Lewis also has another coupler, because the couplers that I have are way too small. They're 2-inch instead of 2.5. So that's what we're left with right now. I'm gonna continue to put everything back, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so this is what we got for what we've done. The blow-off valve is on. Intercooler is bolted back up. Looks really good. With the traction bar, it still has clearance. The traction bars are really steady. I'm excited. It's coming out really good. So on that note, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and gang.